It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2016 Cadillac Escalade Luxury Collection. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Escalade. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel are some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, brown leather interior with a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the Bluetooth button, and on the right side we have our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the power liftgate button, interior light buttons, power sunroof buttons, and the programmable garage door opener. OnStar in the rear view mirror. Next up is Cadillac's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. To the left of the infotainment screen are power adjustable foot pedals. To the right there, this button here opens up the glove box, park assist, lane departure alert, traction control. We have the hard buttons for our radio and media options just below the infotainment screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, CD player, and we have some USB plug-ins and dual cup holders. On top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. The front of the Escalade has fog lights, a front license plate bracket, 22-inch wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, 4 full-size doors, rear tinted windows, chrome door handles with keyless entry, running boards down below, remote start, and as we make our way to the back, I'm going to use our key fob here to open up the power lift gate by pushing that button twice. In the trunk, we have cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the second and third row seats down, a power plug-in, and a small storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. We also have our rear climate control buttons, rear heated second row seats, a storage pouch, power plug-ins near the floor, carpeted floor mats on the floor. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the seat release on the side of the seat. In the third row, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders and power plug-ins. So come take a look at the 2016 Cadillac Escalade Luxury Collection, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.